and then we can make my own little investigation and see what one.
Yeah, make me know.
Which is right.
Respect.
Yeah, man.
Ready? Oh, come on, David. Come on, David. Yeah. So you have one.
Daddy, that game is hard.
Well, OJ, you have to learn to play it, you know, because them game are what daddy used to play when he was younger too.
Okay.
Yeah, man. You know you love your phone and your games them on your phone, you know. But you have to love outdoor activities too. You have to love them things, you know.
Okay, Daddy.
Ashley, now come down at the house.
Tomorrow, may I see and help Grandma?
Excuse me. So you are the sales lady in our shop now?
Yes, I may sell the fabulosos, the bleach and the digisa.
Yeah, yeah. But make sure you put on your face mask when you sell the degrees and the bleach, yeah.
Yes, Daddy, I know.
So Granny, I pay you?
No, she's not paying, but I want to help her.
So I got a little money I spend in the shop and me them I say I buy out the sweet to them in the shop. I don't got a little profit I spend out actually.
No, Daddy, but you give me.
So you tell me say you not get paid.
Daddy, but I not pay that. That is just sweet money.
So you expect big pay money?
Yes.
So what you mean?
I don't want sweet money, I want big money.
Yeah. So you plan for giving like big money?
I plan for spending or for back to school.
Why do you respond to back to school actually?
But yes, suppose I want to help you.
Ashley, I mean if you help you, where you talk about?
Daddy, but if me work money up over some, I go help you.
Yeah, easy, you know, little girl. You grow up fast, you know.
Daddy, so when we go up for the studio?
One of the day them, man, yeah? Soon as I talk to Uncle Butcher and him arrange it, I bring him over the same.
Alright.
So yeah, man.
Butcher, so when the man them a come, are the student for come work for the student?
About 2 weeks now, man, I'm tell me one thing and now they can't reach him.
So why you not get some other people for work on it?
And everybody really know for work on still get America. There are certain things have to set right in place. It's imperfect.
Well, look like them have a whole heap of work to do. They have to depend on the waiting list.
that we can't bother with them for children. Them always a take on bag of work and know so them have other people work for dealing. Isn't it? But I feel just go and wait now, sir. Isn't it? That alone can.
You know, so I have 2 years on my way, I'm very talented. As soon as the student finish, more I listen to them.
I know so I get some already from what you have. Alright now I really seek some talent, you know. There's even more and kick off the thing. Some serious production.
Just make sure say you sign the talent them where you get.
You know, so atheists that tell me the same thing, Marissa.
I really think that some of them youth there, I'm grateful.
Yeah, man, I take that on serious, man. What I need right now is somebody to line up some contract for me. There's even something can do it right there.
But know somebody who can do the basic contract for you.
Marissa, I'm going to fix up a thing there for me. I like how that sound, because right now, as soon as the studio up and running, as some youth reach, I start with the contract straight away. Call me for Marissa, shot to Marissa.
Glad you like it. Hello? What? When? Then which part is happening? In the town? So why she walk with phone in the town? Alright. When we reach home, I check her. I think she don't know better.
Marissa, what go on?
Then grab one of my friend's phone in the town. So.
You serious? In a town and just grab phone?
This is about the 3rd one this week.
This not tell it still need to do something about it.
Why you have to do something about it? Better you leave it to the police, yeah?
Police. Marissa, when last you pass through town and see police? That's why them boy run up and down in that place and grab people phone.
Butcher, you can't do nothing about that. Make the law deal with that.
Mommy on our way for you now. So we have to put on your shoes on now and make you get ready, you know? Alright, come.
Go up, listen. You hear what I say to Marissa?